in the streets and
The following episode consists of the use of inappropriate language. All views and opinions held in this episode are not those of the industry temkaqweni, those of the participants.
Industry semkaqweni broadcast live akopanele mophim kodwa kakhulu kunzima langa onkomtholi Thomo Mkhulu asenaleli into uzabishela uthi dedela Mr Show phezukwenye mangiveleza labathini khaphu hlaba yakhafulela. On my right wafethu silana before nje siqale please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Ngiyanicela zinja zami exquisite ngizibeka nje khona lana uyaklikha la khalibheli iyo nje into engicelayo makuphela episode uyakhomenta uyayibona injalo asibe siya. On my right ke ngiqala kanje ngiphethe izinja mfethu Oli bafethu Oli usually mwenza ama intro amarafo wena dog ngicela uzintroduce mina ngizongena sengibeka iCatalog nje yami awazintroduce ukuthi wena ubani uphuma va.
Yeah, sure, Bafetti. This is your boy, Bafetti. Only I can say, Bafetti. The one and only. There's no other vision like this.
Sure.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Bafetti.
Thank you. Shout out to Jam Yabonga for isikhathi sakho ukuthi ukhona ukuphula out
ne. Yeah, sure.
Lana ku industry semkaqweni mfethu podcast enkulu enaleli podcast enkulu eSoil podcast enkulu eAfrika. Iyona kala indaba. Ayibamba.
Thank you.
Oli.
Sure.
Dog.
Yeah, sure.
Oli ka ubani kawo? Sekuvele sekuthiwa Oli ndoda phela manje unomangala ngila iphone ngibheka ama numbers dog. Your numbers are big dog.
Thank you
Your
so much.
numbers are big dog.
Thank you so much.
Like you've been in the game dog. Like ngifuna highlight something ne.
Yeah.
There's a clip here. You've worked with DJ Jeps, MP3, DJ Mtito, featuring 2K.
Okay.
Obviously you Spipido.
Yeah.
Okay, nalaba bahe igama le track Volo dog. It's on 24k views in 8 months dog on YouTube.
But there's more than that.
On YouTube. Yeah, just highlight nje. Sizomane singena kuzo zonke because of ndoda kunejakalasi la yona. Hayi.
Yeah.
Yona ama numbers wayo hayi.
Yeah. Hey, Bafetti.
Yeah.
First of all, Bafetti, ngicela ukubonga support, Bafetti.
Yeah.
Singani, Bafetti.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have achieved that. So.
Oh yeah, ne.
Yeah.
Mfethu manje support ekhipha mfana.
Support Bafetti ngiyabonga Bafetti.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga Bafetti. Thank you.
So Oli ukhulela va uOli ubani? Siqale nje siqhwashisa abantu ukuthi okay lo uOli yazi ngifuna ushaya kanjani? Ingabi langa just in short ne. Uzosho ukuthi uOli ukhulela endaweni kanje, wafuna endaweni kanje, wafuna endaweni kanje. And then after that because of umntwana le izodinga part 1 part 2 no part 3 music ngoba yiyelanga.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Bafetti Oli Bafetti intwana ekhulele eOrange Farm ihlala nomageza wayo.
Yeah.
So bengigeleza kwesinye isigele bathi imbali primary. Yabo.
Ikoloniza amagama abantu.
Shout out to Mbali primary.
That's why bojola nombali. Siye. Hayi ngaringa ngifuna ukuvala just bese.
Angimazi
Mbali
mina.
Unyambika ngifika yini.
Ngicava Mbali. Palisa awubani abantu.
Ekala ngontanga amasiko bakhalayo kuma socials mos.
Mina ngibazi mina labo bantu Bafetti.
Stress.
Anyways I'm singing Bafetti.
Askis.
Yabo so ngakhula la because ngimploma noma crazy affair yabo umntana kama crazy Bafetti.
Mfana kagogo.
Umfana kagogo yabona manje ngizomcabanisa ninja.
Yasesiyasho la kukhulu obviously. Mfana kagogo uthako obviously. Ngisazosipana vele yangithola.
Yeah, so khula noma crazy and then around 2010 around the World Cup Bafetti I moved to Soweto yabo.
Yeah.
Since ke ngikayivele Bafetti.
Since ukayi. Okay, from an Orange Farm you were doing your grade at your primary phase uyenze ngada
ngiyenze kada and then
ngayi wafika
grade
8 high school yakho so high school yakho ifundele vama ungayi Soweto
khona esinye isigele bathi Sana Marina shout out to Sana Marina sure
okay
angakanikhohlwe ngisanani feel so ngizonivakashela
so ntana bekunjani like for wena ukhula nogogo ne
sure
yakhula nogogo asikhulele intwana ezindlini ezifanayo ne ihousehold yakini ni 3 ni 4 uzoshwane ukuthi beningakhi niyakhula ugogo nisival dog Orange Farm dog mina that time angikhula bekunalento ukuthi bengihlala yena lady ne nasemndeni so bengangeni ezola bekunalento le ikimkimi basezola bangeni na lady asena lady so like wena izinto ezifana ne magnification mangasho gangsterism
Sure.
number evali bazwa ngalo Italy.
Umkhulwane.
Yeah, like
yeah.
bekunjani dog for umuntu ofana nawe ayisho ukuthi soft or whatever
Yeah.
but ngiyabona ukuthi awuthe clean ezincanywayo angithola
Sure.
gqoke kahle uclean
Yeah.
like bekunjani bebakuthatha umuntu onjani wena ukuthi hayi thina samafansula wena uyi bebanjani kahle
Yeah,
mawungatshela nje umuntu ongacavi ivali ngicela nje explainele nje
fair bafethu evan bafethu kunale movement epushwayo bafethu kulwane kiyo intabeni.
oh okay
So but for
okay
mina bafethu mina like always like from ngisasentwana bafethu mina ne
yeah
ngasitshela vele ukuthi if like mina ngifuna ukuseparate from izinto.
That's nice, dog. That's nice,
Because
yeah.
I already knew what I wanted.
yeah
So
from a young age ne
from the young age yangithola.
yeah
So izinto esibaya nje angasitshela.
boyilezo vele maqala kuliwa uya uyasusa la
mina
zele
bafethu and like mina ngumuntu othanda izinto kahle.
oh awukuthi honest futhi angishaya ngoba honest
bafethu yangithola.
Yeah.
Since from ngiyintwana bengithanda izinto like angibona into etrendayo nje.
Uda.
Yangithola. Abathi ikhothane bengidangi isikhothane.
Azazi
Abathi isibhutsha yangithola.
imali
Yeah, makathi isibhutsha ngidafeli nakhona yangithola shoot bang all over lezi zinto ngizenze zonke yokushoda nje kuphela ukuthi ngihlome nje.
hayi man iyekele kithi ke
Yeah,
abasemlazi
yeah, but
yithi
it's
ke
fine.
yithi ke izinto zakhona
Ufaka
yeah
ama grip.
faka lezi into
Yeah,
nezokhlala for izinto ngishis brown lobathi uyi
Yabona.
mana basho kanjalo dog
Hayi.
mina azi mina ngakutshela ukuthi why
Why?
your voice ntwana yami dog ubhiwe ana competition na ukutshela ivari dog
Sure.
it's just that it's a matter of time ntwana trust in the process uzongena boy ungenile
Sure.
mara ntwana ungenile
Yeah.
ungancengi ipari kanye ngiyacela njalo ungenza ama favor ungancengi umuntu ube uwale ngawe dog
Yeah,
ngoba
but-
no abantu angithi abali ngawe
Sure.
wena mawungenile uwale umuntu manje uzogaya 10k umtshele na bra is 50-50 unga
Yeah.
compromise ngetalent lakho dog
Ngiyakuzwa.
yeah ntwana wami talented uyacula
Ngiyabona.
the numbers don't lie baba
Ngiyabona,
225k views 225 no dog even akumanye ama podcaster they don't reach that yangithola excursion abafiki la
Yeah.
so ntwana unga compromise ngayo so ungayike high school ndoda
Sure.
high school bodume ngani
Yeah, esigela.
Esigela ke makuthi old abantu bathi bafuna ukungena ukuthola va Bobani ngathi esigela?
Eish.
Bobani
Breeze ngoba bengijive hip hop yangithola.
Yeah.
So benginokujive la feri makwama obvious ama
talent shows yo event show or makuza labantu bazo promote yo
Yeah, bazopromote izinto la esigela. Angazi shaya izinto.
oh you were those ukuthi
Yeah.
yandani old
Shada yeah.
yeah
Yeah. Udume ngalezo zinto lezo bebangicapha esigela vele.
yeah we share if intwana ungakhona ukukhumbula like bokunyaka mu
I think bokuyi 20 sombo
after World Cup
yeah boma
2011 12 11 12
2012 2013 da yeah
okay plus that
Somewhere.
time yeah
yeah
okay uyajive ne ngale ngokujive kusho
sure yeah vele bengimojive nabo
Oh.
ace bayangicapha vele ofans man
Yeah,
uzokutshela
yeah.
ukuthi leya ngiyayicapha
yeah lo esabukuza la lo ungidina nguyisi khuluma naye asimfonele lori
asimiyeke
wasimyeke sombamba bheka ke ntwana uyajive esigele uyilezo vele makunama event ibizwa
sure
nangu-uli engithola
sure
nabo mem sebayakwazi
Sure.
bongadlali disk bonga participate ku-sports like
Oh, ku-sports.
i-track and field bowukhona
yeah ku sports bafethu ngadlala idisk ekasi yabo
okay
bengigoalkeeper fethu
eish
bengigoalkeeper
bengizokufutha usindile uliyekile ngisadlala
eish
Hayi, ngizokufutha
bengikhona
Usho kanje?
bengiwalanda nasekhoneni plaza engilanga
Yeah.
ngayisho noma ngimile kanje sakhula
hayi ka eish bengizokhuluma ngenye team mara sikhona ifuna ukukhipha mara bheka Hayi, asibaya, ngitshela-
ngizongikwatisa because i-team yami ndio
siyithuka eish asikisi mnganami
Absolutely.
mara sathaliso bababo
hayi ku-grand
Yeah.
bafethu
so ntwana yami ke uyajive esigele
sure
Chris Brown Dumi
sure
ikubambile right back
yeah
yini le kwenza ukuthi kawuhalela umusic
umusic
yeah like yini le sorry ukukhathane
Yeah.
yazi ngifuna ubeke kanjani uthi yabona for mina ne
yeah
there was a time bengimamele usiyashezi ne
Sure.
I was in Kingswell team shout out to a guy called Usihle was a guy Usihle usimehwa introducer kwa Khalisha so mina yinto ngokuthi mangiqala ngimamela that like nenye out ya body plomakers la ye producer bo one mention amachita maramazu the rock la uthi nabe mameli ka rap igama yabe I think ustarwa mara ngikhosi igama la mampela so yiba abantu bengazi ukuthi bangifuna music like ka rap ya ngiyakustarwa or ngiyakusihle or ngiyakusamito so amachita bengamamelisi ka rap ne so baba la idea so hey oh siyasheza oh akhalisha nami like bengifuna ukuba mimika mangimamela like yabuthola labo bengazi ukuthi ngenzeni like nami sengiyapractice so for mina ibhag yo music ukuthi ngincanywe ka rap ngincanywe quite already it was there but ka rap for me yinto yangenza ukuthi ngincanywe it was those three guys abo Samito abo Sihle ne but then abo Siyasheza abo MT yangithola naye ngifuna uma breakela umuntu down I understand ukuthi uncanywe bani what more muzwa lo muntu ngithola kanjani like umbekele mfethu na in a sense ukuthi naye understand.
Okay, first of all ngifuna ukutshela ngejourney yami yo music.
Yeah. Ngayiqala kahle ke.
Yeah, umusic wami mfethu ukushaya music bathi mina mangizwa ngefamily yami yabo.
Yeah.
So bathi ngicale saseyintwana like.
Yeah, and the family ngeke isikhashaya.
Choir feli yangizona.
Okay, that's nice.
Ngiculela ichoir ngiyintwana ngiyilida la echoireni mabaphethe mina bekulahlela imali la yabo.
Obelezo sibeka isigqoko.
Yes, babeki hayi bebabheja ngani because eyivocal.
Oh yeah.
Wathi be powerful yabo.
Yeah.
So yaqala la ijourney yami and then ngaze ngakhula ngabukela kuleyo Chris Brown.
Hey, that guy.
Yeah, that guy is Chris Brown.
And if funny enough she look alike. Awona zizinto tona. Oh nganye umuntu nizenifane to.
Kuyenzeka sometimes kuyenzeka.
And angazi tona angazi ukuthi mari agodi kawo. Mayikathu kani talent lokujaya. Le awuthi yajayo. Okay, I talent le art. Le awuthi artistic. Okay, I talent lokucula. Le awuthi yacula to. You see?
Yeah.
That's why ngithi lento ka like iyenzeka ne but surely 50% abantu khona ukwenzeka kanjalo. Nawu la ndoda.
Ayazama mfana.
So from there and then Chris Brown elifixe kosalikhumbula bekuyiliphi bolincane. Elokuthi
maningi from abo zero.
Oh nganye from le album bekalishayele umntwana ne.
No, dala ngimamela from dala
from that album was dope leli uzothi there's something in this leak.
Yeah,
video
and then
back to sleep from back to sleep yeah ku zero that guy dog. And akekho umuntu okhona ukushaya into so like again. Oh okay. Ala kwese ngisho angakamboni after yena. But after yena ntwana like after yena let's be honest kubani kwenza ukubani imovie le yato yomculo.
Imovie vele le.
Okay umuntu okwayenza uRK. Ngetrip in closet yakhumbula.
Ay mina ba arcade bafika.
Amntana isikhonje uzo expose ijam na ikakintana. Ithi yapho.
Yeah okay. Ngoba sofuna ngivumisa ayifeli.
So from there boy ubani uqala ngaliphi kuwena uthi yabona no uyamuzwa ko Chris Brown ne.
Sure. Oyilanga.
From there
yeah
uyamuzwa yini into enzile after mocela ukuthi mocela ukuzwa that thing that bug mayikubamba wena ukuthi unganya writing sile ufuna ukuyenza.
I went to the studio.
Kuphi boy give a shout out to that guy boy kuye studio mfana
shout out to TPZ bafethu le Shy Paris yabo shout out to him bafethu yabo
yeah
so I went to I went to him yabo
yeah
so he's the one who
got that first chance
and then also shout out to Soul Matrix he's the reason ngenza piano
bro that's an catalog yakhe big sawa
yeah
so ntwana mbeka ke uyakutho ubani
ngaya ku
TPZ shout out to you ne dog
yeah
yazi ngifuna no senzeni yazwa ngikubuza ukuthi uqaleva
sure
there's this thing ne sizwenza itrack C2 ane asikavi next C2
sure
sit post whatever likheshe that thing that time it was WhatsApp ne into kusendela nge WhatsApp
yeah it was WhatsApp
Bluetooth ne
ngoba besipost that afike
malika to cash track ne mina ngoba record kimi ne la simanje seso educate abantu ka something ne
sure
siya record ngu-TPZ ne
yeah
u-Oli ne
sure
usangene egaming
okay
mina let's say already ngikava something ngegame i-track liyaphusha
okay
the way liyangakhona from there dog awazi next wena noma ngazi next yini into kumele senze i-track selibambile tidings ne idumile linandani ukuze kusekulate ukawo ngifuna like into anigelezisa umuntu kunabantu ababhabancane kwenza le mistake lene
Yeah, le mistake. Okay guys.
yini ekumele uyenze dog like kumele usayine vow yayisampro yakhapaso ya in into wenza kanjani ngoba abantu mebeza yi abantu ababhala last time it was Jaden Lani ne
Yeah.
ukhalile dog
Okay.
excellent kwenzakalile so mina ngifuna ntana sizo omunye umuntu another Jaden Lani another old oza another easy beats another anga repeat the same mistakes you guys did
Sisizenzile.
yeah please boy ngicela nje ka ubasize ntwana
First of all, bafethu mawucala wenza music bafethu make sure ukuthi i-paperwork yakho is straight yabo.
yeah
Whenever you do a song ne-register wena nalomuntu oyishayinayo yabo.
Okay,
Ungalingi uyenze mistake ukuthi ningayenzi indaba zama
Paperwork.
split sheet.
oh yeah
Yabo, zama split sheet
Yeah,
because
yeah.
you have to know your percentage at the end of the day. And then awuvayo uregister kusempu
yeah
Capaso
okay
ziningi bafethu
Zini.
yabo.
Okay, do they register online or like kune warehouse la mibiwa khona?
But isembu I would prefer uye khona because sometimes ma register online mawufika lapha yabathi abakuqala.
Or maybe kunabantu amagama
Yeah, ngoba kunamagama ethu afanayo.
nginokuyibona that things le yeah.
So khona umunye Olivista yabo.
Eish, mfana.
Yabo so kuyinto ebhaya so
Olifanti. Hey dog.
yangithola
Eish.
so ngamani uye khona nje ubalande
Yeah.
yangithola mara le mistake bafethu
Bangayi-repeat, ne?
bafethu.
Okay, so
Sure.
asenze so when i-process yakho ukuspana umuntu ospana kanjani boy like do you come like ngiyafona sure dog kune studio session zwakala like okay amzusomeka hey bravo yes I am pull up dog sine studio camp nyana yo shakes let's here yo whoever base camping and then uyangena kule room maybe ushake uyaspana no less ngena ngara isimelo insleaze and then you record your verse when and then like do you record your verse and then ufuna ama split sheet after or ufuna ama split sheet before because of another thing ne
Yeah,
ungafika endaweni dog it's a vibe dog
sure.
it's a vibe like this the beat and then uthanda ntwana le verse ntwana
Yawuze yeah very
yeah
nice
ufike
feel, yeah.
ulahlele ne and then makethi ukulahlele ushare that dog it's nothing artist izinto zenzeka and then uyavaya ne makethi ukuvaya uyalizwa ntwana ngiliyashe radioini
Eish.
Uthabheka i-percentage yakho bakuname 2% and then wenza kanjani
First
Izinto
of all,
like
before
yeah.
itrack izophuma ne obvious siya-discuss lezi zinto lezi fanele sidiscuss vele
yeah
yangithola before izophuma itrack wena nalabo bantu niyavane niyohlangana vele yabo
yeah
niyohlangana kushawa iphepha ngiba nephepha lami uba nephepha
Oh,
lakho
ne-code,
nalo
yeah.
muntu esishayanayo uba nephepha lakhe
oh
sonke sibhala the same percentage because nami fanele
Okay.
ngiregister ku-portal yami
thanks siyabona yabona no
naye
sesiyabafundisa
uregister kweyakhe naleyo eregister
Yeah.
kweyakhe yabo kusho ukuthi ivela ngakimi ivela ngakuwe ivela ngakuwe
yeah
understand because if wena uyiregister kuyenzeka sometimes ukuthi umuntu angathola 100%.
ntwana
It's important to register ama-track, very important.
very important ne
Yeah.
ke sisaseda ntwana ne sisaseda sakhuluma ngayo writings le ngoba I feel like boy like ngibona ama numbers ne
Sure.
mabhaya ngibona nezinto eziphushile empilweni but for mina angijaja ngisho next
Sure.
angaka kuboni as in
Eish.
ngifuna la because of nyakwazi talent lakho ngikwazi from way back wena mara yakujalo because I've been there but ngilezo yazo sinjani
Ezilow-key.
ezilow-key ezidlula ngilezo zingalifuna estudio yazi enye into ne boy angifuni angwise amajita angiphakamisa amajita
Yeah.
but kunento kangangiphathanga kahle boy kuphuma telenovela or series or whatever it's on Showmax bra
Sure.
first thing engizwayo dog is your voice ne
Sure.
ngiyayizwa ivoice yakho I'm like whoo ngenini ntwana yami ne
Yeah.
mangisho kanjalo I'm telling my kids at home hey Thuto uzozwa umngani wami lo yazi futhi abantwana bayaphikisa hayi uqalile unamanga umazi ngithi hawu oh like ngikhuluma naye ingoma yakhe ledlala la
Sure.
like wonke umuntu bangimtshela like abanye bangiphikisa because of they don't know the face they just know the accent
The track, yeah.
so mangimaneka ngimane ngiba explain ukuthi okay guys like u-all but angazi ukuthi ufeature abobani
Abobani on the song.
on the song firstly ne angikwazi ukuthi feature abobani
Abobani.
because mina ngicover wena ne
Yeah.
secondly dog i-correctly ku-Showmax baba Showmax iyangingisi dog ama-ratings wayo maybe
Yeah, I think
You.
it's now one of the biggest series in the country. Yeah.
yabona
Yeah.
that's the second part ne
Yeah.
the third part dog ingene kanjani taka ngikusekuleni ndoda
Okay, first of all, Shout out to Ranger bafethu.
Yeah. Okay, ngicela ubasho abantu osipane nabo neda on that
Shout out
track.
to Gubsin.
Yeah.
Shout out to Ranger. Shout out to Must Be Dubs.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah,
That's
because
nice. Yeah,
I've
yeah.
worked with Dubs, no Ranger, on the song Edlala Ku Adulting.
Ndoda.
That was so, and then I think now so we team song yakhona no, correct. Yabo ku Adulting, and then
Hey, wow.
and then the one,
There's two theme songs ndoda. That's
yeah,
two.
the one on
Youngins.
on Youngins.
Season 1 even 2, wow.
Yeah,
Even 2.
we are going to 3, man.
With that song.
Yeah, the same song, because people they like bayithandile le ngoma leyo. Bancane yona feed for their series.
Bayincanyile ne.
Sure, because even on TikTok, like it's the most trending sound.
Ngokubuza ke dog.
Yeah.
Bayincanyile siba highlightila ngisabontanga.
Sure.
Yabo uthi ngibancishanga spotlight.
Sure.
Angithi keep next.
Sure.
Ukuze ndoda exactly zelidlale la i-approach kuze bani kuzodumi okay mina ngicabanga vele
I
i-production side yabo
I
ne
think production site is a
yeah Showmax
it approached Ugubs Ranger ne.
yeah
That time I think the series was in like bengakadlala sithi.
yeah ban approach
Yeah, when
were
they
you there
approached
like when
I mean,
they
I
were
was
in
in
talks
there.
okay
I was in there.
Okay.
Ranger was there. Yabo,
yeah
to speak in the behalf ya Machida.
okay
Yeah, so
oh bekuyi Paul
but I send them a track and then they're gonna choose.
Oh.
Because so many people they were sending that.
damn guy
And
this
then
is God's
ingoma
work
yethu
mfana.
yedabulile.
This is God's work
Yeah.
mfana this is God's work
Shout
Paul.
out to Tupac God.
yeah and then dog uyawabuya ke ukubuzina zontshela ukuthi Machida Mashana
Ah no, not Ugubsin, no Range.
okay sorry
Yeah,
urange uyabuya azontshela ukuthi khamba
everything, even indaba zenyuku.
yeah
Yangithola. Yeah, but ayokunye ngeke ngikhize.
yeah
Yeah,
but lana yazwayo Oli ngenza sone
sure,
angijoba ngisho ngwisi Machida just that ngifuna another Oli mfana
sure.
anga repeat the same
The same
mistakes
mistakes as
that's why ngikubuze ngepaperwork uyangichaza
Paperwork,
ipaperwork
yeah.
explaining
Sure.
na I understand now kunalento ukuthi kunama series kunama theme songs
Sure.
for mina angiqavi
Sure.
ukuthi theme song yami kuze ngithathe ngifake la mina ngenze
Ingena
kanjani
kanjani, yeah.
that's why ngibuza wena
Okay,
yabo
was it team song yakho ingene la like ingoma yakho kube team song on the series
Yeah.
ne? It happens most of the time ukuthi i-series iphume yona iyenze like kuma social media banokuposta la ukuthi guys we are looking for ingoma esingazidlala la yabo, so sicela nisubmit they send ama email wabo la
yeah
and then yeah bafethu ningeneni la nisendeni ingoma bafethu.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
never know. You never
angizoba
know.
plug kune casting agent
Like
engicavayo
yeah.
vele
You never know ukuthi like yakhe ingakuphi, and then another thing bafethu manivayile connect with other people bafethu.
Yeah, yeah. bayekele into ama energies energies don't match
Ngiyabona athi superstar ngilukani bana bafethu
Yeah.
into le ngeke ikusize nganethe. Humble yourself bafethu, spane nje bafethu. Hey, wenza izinto efanele uzenze man.
Yeah.
Namantombazana Machida.
okay sha mntana so uthe ezinye izinto awufuna ukuzidisclose
Sure.
okay like yini nisayinile into vele sayini ukuthi
No, bafethu asiyeke leyo bafethu.
Yeah.
Asikhulume ngezinye izinto bafethu.
yeah no it's just that ntwana mina I wanted like to educate because of
Sure.
podcast usually there's
educate,
education
yeah,
part
sure.
angithola
Yeah.
because of njalo like izwa like ngoKenya right ukuthi njalo makuza umuntu like abantu
Uzokubuza the same
babukela into
question.
eyi-1 ne
Yeah.
babukela ukuthi njalo uyacomplain kuma so ngifuna ukuthi wena uyiclarify iphele uma uya kwenye podcast
Sure.
uma ufika la ungathi uma ufika utswayiza still usakubuza the same thing already so iclarifyile ngayi abantu ba understand ukuthi khamba senimnandi
Sure.
yabo
Yeah, in terms of ukuthi ingoma yakho bayithathe bayifake la
Yeah.
series ne. Yeah, bafethu fanele nibe ne-split la nizosayina khona nina nalabo bantu.
Na-
And then
nama-producer
making an
ne.
agreement,
Okay,
yabo.
okay.
Ukuthi niyayibhayisa, sometimes kuya ngokuthi niyayibhayisa ingoma nibabhayisela yona. Whatever happens ngengoma after lapho ayisafuni
ngiyayicava that part
mina.
yeah or
Yabo.
like
Obvious,
banibhatala
angithi
imali
nibhayisile.
idlala
And then kuya nge-agreement ukuthi naye-owner and then they're gonna pay you for
Yeah.
every time they use the song.
okay
Yeah.
okay man ntwana shout out to Showmax, shout out to Adult Team
Shout
and
out
shout out
to
to the
Ranger.
bros man
Shout
shout
out
out to
to
Ranger
Ranger,
yeah
bafethu, for
because of ntwana
making ama-efforts.
yeah shout because ngeke ngayibona vele even though like maybe kunama event esikolweni it
Sure.
was the song that was performed
Yeah.
and I was like why like they don't put you there like to perform it dog
Eish, yeah,
dog imagine dog like it's a song it's a team song and then it's a part and then you're performing that track mara ntanidane
kukhulu okuzayo
range mfethu yenza izinto mfethu bafethu saselana ka in the streets emgaqweni still broadcasting live sise-Afghanistan inaledi Soweto yangithola lethembisa bathi 1632 mina ngithi 1868 evali nithi yini
sithi amatanka amabili
bayakhala bafethu ngenja yami mongayazi ngena lapha wonke ama-social media platforms oli umfana waka-RSA bafethu shaya inamba zinja zami bayamazi abomayiro bayamazi abomaestro bayamazi abaking P bayamazi aboyizi bayamazi the list is endless abojeps bayamazi ujeps wena bathe baba wami mayesiyela kwi-catalog yakho dog
sure
Jakalasi
ayish
mntwana yami King P a-custom words ngiyayazi-ke lesa studio phela sinama-hit phela nathi sifumana-ke
yeah
iJakalasi
sure
ngeke ukhumbule into engangikhona mina
okay
isisayidi yakho le story ukuthi ize kanjani ngizokutshela
okay
Jakalasi,
the way
yeah.
straight Jakalasi ngakhona
Yeah.
ne so okay first of all shout out to King P okay yabo
andiwazi ntwana nda-custom words
yeah bengizomention
Oh, okay, hard boy.
bengizomention
Hard boy.
yeah
Yeah.
words bafethu danko yabo so
Yeah.
I pull up at the studio that day
Yeah.
ukhenyekile nginempintshami ukuthi izolo besibuye emjayiveni yabo
Yeah.
so masibuye emjayiveni kanje vele fede sabamba la emjayiveni yabo lento engikhuluma ngayo dake yango ilento besiyenza izolo
Zolo.
yangithola ilento besiyenza izolo so mina ngayithatha lento lengayenza idea
wayenza itiyene
yeah
i-beat bakudlalela i-beat kuqala ori
no ngithole
basipana kulo.
kahle nengoma lebo kuyisoulful yabo
Oh.
kuyisoulful because uMods bekashaye uKing P bekashaye ama-chords
Okay.
yabo kuyisoulful and then mina bengifuna ukwenza i-love song but
Yeah.
sagcina ngabona mani ngadayi why singahlanganisi i-soulful nesigubhu senza into eyi-one
Keep istrata samampela.
yeah istrata se-soulful
Okay. Yeah.
saza neJakalasi
Jakalasi.
yaza kanjalo
Oyishaya intwana like kongishayele like the first chorus i-chorus
i-verse
kongishayele i-verse yeah.
habathi ngibulala kwasani kwasidudla kwasilenda ningeza nibaningi nizongithesta ngithatha i-cherry outsini ngitshele relaxa nizohlangana thina
Yo.
masicela
Manje wow ujahile baba nayengisihle into ensakela izolo
yeah so izolo ne
ndoda
ukuthi dabe sikhona fede
Yeah.
beperforma fede yabo so labantwana bebahlanya fede ngithola bebahlanya iJakalasi bengakabi khona
yeah
bebahlanya shoot manje kuhlanyile
Duza
idudla
neyilenda.
shoot manje
Uvela
phela amajita
kwasana.
sekhona enye befuna ukungilwisa la fede yabo
Sangibele
seyifuna
ngiyekho,
ukungilwisa ifuna
bengishaya
ukungihura
kawini.
yangithola seyifuna ukungihura vaya avanti Ngicabanga ukuthi lo mntana vele wayahlanya ngontanga shoot lo mntana uzogcina sekavala nontanga shoot kahle that's why ngithi ngithatha i-cherry outsini ngitshele
relax
You understand? Yeah.
isebhaka iyo ayentana umshayile mostadeni ntwana
Yeah.
okay from there ka unilenze kanjani ukuthi ligene i-section the way lenze ngakhona ekasi esakhulu yena
Okay.
lady boy
Okay.
Ice huge
Kuzikeni i-traction ne.
yeah
Shout out to Danko K. Yabo Danko K. Yeah, Danko K ulizwile i-track and then I created a challenge and so on.
yeah
And then few months later bafethu ku TikTok.
Hey, baba.
Sayokhala umatras left and right bafethu.
please say shout out to Fransman, even Fransman Ace.
Yeah, even Fransman Ace.
Fransman,
Yeah, even Fransman.
That kid
Ace.
intwana.
Yeah.
Hayi naye uzoziringela.
Uzothi-
Sorry uzozizela ntwana
Yeah,
uzomuza.
azosikhulumela,
There's
yeah.
something naye vele aqeda
Yeah,
ukuyenza
and then
but.
manje
Yeah.
bafethu shout out to him ngoba ingoma la ngikhona bafethu lokhu yasiphusha untanga bafethu ngiyabonga nje ya.
Yeah.
Danko.
Okay, from there boy ne from ndoda ikhathalog yakho boy. Let's talk about Easy boy. Like Easy Beats the impact anayo kuwe dog. Like ntwana nespanile dog like ku bekathi uyenzani
Sure,
yeah
sure.
iku alba iphila ka easy
Yeah,
iphila ka
I think
easy
it's an EP, yeah.
yeah it's an EP nali yeah it's an EP
Yeah, iku EP lakhe.
yeah
Yeah. Shout out to Easy bafethu. Thank you bafethu. Mina ngicela ukubonga nje la ma-producer believe kini bafethu.
yeah
It wouldn't be possible ukuthi senze lezo ngoma esizenzile la.
You also worked with-
because
T-Beats on Luthando boy
yeah, T-Beats, MFR Soul,
Soul.
I've worked with Mahu,
there's also you also work with Limeke on Dali
and then
DJ Pre yeah also with
TRP,
Ibu yeah
Namba,
yeah
Sfazo RT,
yeah.
Lady Do, Makwa Mashudu, Soulmatrix. Yo,
No,
Guys,
that
I
is
can name
endless,
more,
dog.
like, I
It's
can
endless,
name more,
dog. It's
like, I can
endless,
name
dog.
more.
Like, it's
I can
endless,
name
boy.
more.
Like, it's endless, dog. Tana, ngiphethe, even the numbers and
can
like,
name
yo,
more.
boy.
I can name
Yeah.
more. Yo, I can name more.
Okay, yiba ngithi laba ababhig osaspane nabo ne.
Baningi
Bye
khona
bye.
abanye ngibakhohliwe ngoba ngisibane
Yeah.
nabantu aba
So wena no, ungathanda ukuspana nobani?
nabo Taxing yabo, so I
Yeah.
can mention more. Okwamanje mina
Okay, your top
Sure.
5 producers ongakhalela ukuspana nabo. Top 5 nje ama-producer.
I can say
Ngapha nangale,
Sean.
you can mix.
Sean.
Sean ne.
Yeah,
101.
Sean, the one ospana nabo Trace.
Gianzo mkhumbuli.
Yeah,
Simkhumbuli.
uSean.
Yeah.
Kabza the Small.
Okay.
The Goat.
Bata.
Yeah, Papa.
Yeah.
And then, Timbo. Because most things spanning now.
Yeah.
Timbo.
Pastor.
Now Pastor spanning.
Damn, this kid. When you work with mesh beats, but when you pop joint in areas.
Yeah, try mesh beats.
You
Yeah,
need
let's try
mesh.
something. You know?
Ozuchi
Yeah, let's
baba.
try something. Yeah, Zuch.
Ozuchi
Yeah,
baba.
Zuch.
Uzuchi intana
Uzuchi
ngakhipha
dope.
comfort zone yakho.
Even MT, because I produce.
Okay, yeah, na ku
didn't know
DIY,
it.
yeah.
You didn't know
Ku
that.
DIY 3 obvious ngibonile ku that is.
Yeah.
Ikhona.
Even MT.
Yazi ukuthi mina ngathanda ukubona uspana nobani. I would like Men K Choco Dynasty is a producer,
Okay.
TNT Music
Okay.
producer. Is Guy Machine is a hip hop producer. And then on the vocal side, Kawanga Springy, you and Pushkin dog. Imagine that combo.
Yeah,
baba.
but I also think it's
Imagine
soulful,
Notato
man.
boy.
And then we're soulful, I think. But it's secret, but
Yeah.
it's fine. Things we keep.
Yeah.
Secret, yabo. Dr. Tools, Zinumalo, yangithola.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Damn.
khona kuzayo.
Ngizomnanthini
Yeah.
Pushkin and Spring. Men K Choco and Dynasty.
Sure,
Pushkin and Springy.
sure.
Oli RSA.
Oli RSA,
Studio
on one
C1.
song.
Chato
Yeah.
Yats. Trace
Trace.
boy.
Yeah.
Benrick. TNT
Yeah,
Music.
Benrick. Mina no Benrick, so share something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ntwana mina yibo ke abantu engafisha vele ukuthi uspane nabe angithola.
Yeah.
Mara otherwise-
But I'm a vocalist, mina I
Yeah.
wish Spanner no Chris Brown.
Kune vocal side.
Yeah, Chris Brown,
Yeah.
Davido.
Escape thaba.
Konje bani
Kendrick.
lo girl wakhe yowine i-Grammy. Tyler.
Oh. Wena athi sifuna
Guys, mina bafethu.
Wena usifuna ukushaya uTyler.
Mangi-
Angisho like ukushaya inamba naye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So-
Wena athi
Bafethu
cabanga.
mina i-aim
Yeah.
yami bafethu ne. My aim bafethu ne. Not ukuthi ngifuna ukukhuluma kabi or kanjani yabo. I-aim yami bafethu mina it's
We are
to go
broad.
international, guys, because I also do R&B. I
Yeah.
also do trap. Like I do everything.
Yeah, mina ngizobadlalela like idingane le i-remake yakho.
Yeah,
ntwana.
and
Hey,
then
that
there's this
vision,
guy
man.
I did a song with ne, from
From
Elijah.
Huh?
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
check out the song. Put me in the face.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called Anita. Yabo. Yeah,
Ngiphethe.
yeah, Anita. Yeah,
Ngiphethe.
I did name out as Elijah called Ariel.
Okay. Yeah, Anita, we were shooting the visualizer for it. It was me, you, and Iz. But it was not.
Not that one.
Not that one. Khona elinye futhi?
Out as Elijah. Yeah.
Hey, baba.
Yeah, khona lengishana out as Elijah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So ntwana mama challenges ke as an artist usekazi noma yiye so it's like ama challenges ntwana like owafaceayo wena. Like as an artist nje wena.
Yeah, ama-challenges mina ngiwafisa for mina ne personally angeke ngikhulumele omunye umuntu.
Yeah, awakho boy, awakho.
Most of the time ngibhayizisa ukuthi ama-opportunity anokuvela yabo
Yeah.
i-studio session ewukuthi vele bezingatshintshi impilo yami,
Ayisa.
but i-problem ukuthi imali yokufika
Financial ne.
la. Yangithola imali yokufika la sometimes iyabhayiziseka yangithola.
Yeah.
And then also enye inkinga ukuthi since ngivele e-TV amangivaya estradeni abantu bangicela imali.
Ayisa, nabacanga ukuthi into akudala mngani wami. Yazi abantu kabanjani? That's why that's why educate boy. Umuntu angabona igame lami lakudala leyisadlala disc
Yeah,
yakho.
understand.
Into akudala boy.
Bangicela imali, but it's fine. It's
Yes.
fine. Yangithola, it's fine.
Yeah,
Akusi
thatha
ukuthi
lento
kubhede.
izuza.
Yabo akusukuthi into ebhede, it's
Yeah.
fine. Yabo.
Thatha lento
And
izuza
then
le mali.
also
Yangizwa baba.
Sure.
Thatha leni izoza le mali. Uyasaba?
Hayi,
Khona inyanga engiphethe esemtuba. Oh, afede ke mina bengigaya i-shortcut ke.
Hayi, ngamba
Yeah.
uNkulunkulu mfana yabo.
Yeah.
And also any challenge bafethu. Any challenge Ethi singama-artist bafethu sibhekana nama-challenge amaningi.
Mapaya ntwana.
Kune-hate amongst
Nina.
ama-artists.
Oh, nalama camp wenu. Wancela lento yama camp enhle.
Sometimes maseshinini ushaya ingoma nomuntu uzwe sekakhuluma lapha ya-art ufuna ukushaya ivesi idlule lapho.
Yo.
Kanti asizelanga ngizoshaya ingoma emnandi sizoqhuphisana.
Oh, shuthi manje seyaqhudeka.
And mina like ngizela ukuthi mina at the back of my mind ngicabanga ukuthi hayi ntwana.
Sosipana.
Sosipana yini? Kanti
Usipanela nomngani wakho nifike. Kanti ukafuna ukuhlulisana nawe ngevoice. And wena into ephiwe njalo.
Izinto ezinjalo, izinto esifeyisana nazo futhi. And
Yeah.
enye into kune-gatekeeping futhi angithola.
Ikhona vele la
Bavala
into.
iminyango because mhlambe sometimes they feel ukuthi
Yes, for the breed, ne. Yes, for the breed. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Uke wayiface like ekasi like gatekeeping
yeah,
like.
kasi kwezinye itudio fele bala ukuthi ungene
Exactly.
erumini, because
Like
people
erumini?
Sure.
Eh.
Yenzeka la ile. Ngithola
baba.
yenzeka la ile. Ngibona untanga ubheke ngenye indlela. Ngithola ukuthi uyangena
Ah, mara wawenza so isicishe ngale igama ithi ngiye.
Ubani?
Akuthi sibafana erumini. Khona uthi vele hlezi.
I'll name people but
Khona lehlezi key room kana
I've been at the
mangiyakuyo.
studios where people they do that.
Yeah.
So, umuntu nje akuvalele nje ukuthi ungangeni ethakini. Sometimes ugcine sozele emahala e-studio.
Yo.
Yenzeka.
Antana manje izinto kawu. Now ma the day ubamba plus wena ngiyakubona vele ne mindset yayithu slim. Build your own studio ntwana and then create your own camp also ntwana. Because of nami into engiyibonayo lo ne camp lo ne camp lo ne camp lo ne camp. Lo akasipana lo ngoba lo secampini kalo. Into vele ngibone nginotice
And
late.
also one thing about me now, fanele icala. I'm open to work with everybody bafethu kuya nge-energy. If
Okay.
i-energy yakho ngiyayifila,
Yeah.
imatcha ne-energy yami.
Yeah.
Okay, bafethu.
Uyagame.
Angeke ngiye ngokuthi mina ngisipane ne-MFR Soul so angeke ngisipane nobani bani hayi.
Yeah.
If energy yakho ngiyayifila bafethu hayi. That's
Mnandi.
why dog.
Okay, since we're in MFR Souls, ngibonile vele ama clips ngaphethe. So the energy there ntwana it has.
Yeah, it was dope.
Yeah, sifana nama award winning producers baba.
Hey,
The pressure, like, do you feel the pressure?
Nah,
I need to
I
believe.
don't feel the pressure because they made me feel at home because those people now I take them as family. For me, that's we family because now I can sometimes I can just go there chill.
Yeah.
Without with so span as chill and just talk and
Yeah.
understand. So I want to take dinner about as a family. Understand.
But kunjani ntwana? Phela mina angazi ngoba la like uthola ikhona uba nofonayo uma irefona dog pull up let's work.
Yeah, it's nice.
Like
Yeah, like it's nice.
yiba
because-
bafonele wena or like you're like no
No, let me tell you ukuthi kuze kanjani
Yeah.
ngisicave ne. So shout out to Kanya Cranes bafethu.
yeah.
So Kanya Cranes she took me to the studio.
Yeah.
They like bokuyi session lakhe. But
Okay.
yena
Okay.
wadonsa mina izintwana yakhe wathi ayintwana yami let me put you on, you understand.
Yeah.
So wangicover say studio when we arrived there fere sithola amajita la mina bengazi ukuthi siyaku MFR.
New span. Yeah.
Yeah, masifika lapha sithola amajita ablomile.
Yeah.
Hey, nami mabavula umnyango lapha ngithi yo nkosi yami.
Yibo.
What's happening?
And ke span.
When we arrived there, okay, mina ngithini? Obvious, the session kaKhanya, I can't involve myself in sessioning.
Yeah. Uyabona now.
So,
Ukhonile vele
basipane.
ukurespect vele.
Aspane, makaspana athi kimi, don't you wanna add a verse yabona yini?
Yeah.
Nami ngithi vele ngijump ngithi, "Hoy, think add something."
Yeah.
Ngibona bontanga bathi bayayincanya le part yami. Oh, bayincanya, aloku ayidlala kaningi part yami. Athi ntwana, you are dope, yabo. Uforce, athi kimi you are dope, yabo. You are dope. Ngizogama number 1, so ringa fade yabo.
Ubani ukuthiya between the two guys. Force.
Yeah, Force. Athi give me so ringa aside, yabo.
Yeah.
So ring and then we can see what we can do. And then days after that, Force called me, requested for me, went to
Yeah.
the studio. Then we started working. I ended up having one of the songs on their album.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which album?
The album we got to keep a man, piano something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice. Yeah, my
Number
dog.
10,
So-
yeah, penny man.
Asiwesiringa amagigi boy. Amagigi ava kanjani?
For manje akusathulekile ngoba
Akusathulekile.
ngisawamisile vele.
But mawuqala like uyalithola maybe highest paying gig.
Yeah. I've performed Zone 6 venue.
Yeah.
I've performed kwenye gig I even went out of Soweto.
Yeah.
Mpumalanga.
Yeah.
I
So,
went to a lot of places.
The lowest ke paying gig le 6 pack vele.
Hayi ikasi yacaba.
Ayi kasi ka waye ka ba imshanga ama ride
Shanga ama favor bafethu.
Yeah.
Mfana
You need to stop there.
Bengeleza nawe. Phethe ukhipha ntwana.
You need to stop there. Tani into ehlezi ngifuna ukuthi kasi iyeke la idensile. Into ama favor ba.
Yeah.
A favor ka bhatal rent ka.
Asibulala ama favor
Hayi,
bafethu
ka.
because uyaphuma endlini bafethu. Yaphuma endlini ba expect ukuthi njengoba uphuma kanje wenza something.
Yeah.
Bafethu noma kuyithi ukhipha.
Likrent.
Ubuye nami ngibeka isinkwa ya understand ukuba amagwinya at least babone ukuthi at least intanga lento yakhe ina something because most of the time bafethu ne unokuzwa abantu bathi abazali abasupportani. Yeah mina ngifuna ukuyiringa on the other side.
Okay.
There's a reason why bagcina bangasupport.
Yeah.
Sengiyayibona la into.
Why mngani wami?
First of all bafethu umzali ubhayile impahla.
Why?
Understand? Lezo impahla ile impahla engizigcoka ngegigini yakho.
Mm.
Secondly umzali uyongireyisa.
2.
Ngirey imali kamzali ngiyada egigini. Thirdly ngibuya ngananex.
Ayisa.
Understand? Ngiphuzile ngibuya ngidakile. Ngile ya 6 pack abangayo. Understand?
Bambile, ha.
Ngiyabuya.
Mina futhi ubelele umntwana ubuyelele la sala khona.
Ngiyabuya endlini ngizogidla ngilambile.
Mele udle.
Ngiyodla futhi.
Lekudle kuthenga ngovuyi.
Kuye futhi understand. Naye umzali like at least umbonise like okay thiklipanyana mama kiyethu clipper yabo. Naye uba naleyo motivation okuthini. Yeah, at least lento mntanami iyenza something there's a different now kubeka impuphunyana bafethu noma kuyi 5 kg.
Yeah.
You understand? Uyibeke nyana, shukela nyana, shawa itiye ngoshukela wakho na ube proud ukuthini. Yeah, at least isaba nokuphuza ijoko yami. You understand? Manje mozophuma uyungana next.
Bulengisi. Yeah. Manje ntwana like working with Ulimeki like benise studio siwano recorded your verse and then you sent it to the producer or you were just in one studio.
You know what happened, ne?
Yeah.
So shout out to DJ Pretezo bafethu.
Yeah.
Pretezo we worked on the song with Pretezo, ne?
Yeah.
So mangispana no Pretezo ngishiye project la Pretezo, yabo?
Yeah.
Pretezo Ulimeki afike. Pretezo called me wangitshela ukuthi Ulimeki ukhona size sizospana.
Yeah.
I wasn't available.
Yeah.
I wasn't available. I was at the other studio.
Okay.
So then Ulimeki he liked the song. He said he wanna jump on the song. So he jumped on the song. Yeah. That's
And
how
then
we got the part mina I know Ulimeki from a long time ago. Like from Dala ngiyamcava Ulimeki vele. Ngiyamcava ngingaspana naye like so.
Okay.
Ecamping kaJobi.
Okay. Yeah. Mntwana ke for umuntu ongazi kawo ukuthi game lenjani phakathi. Sime explainele dog. Samgana ma bathi nama T's and C's ukuthi mongena wenza kanjani ntwana ayikho into esinga highlightanga dog. So from yeah.
In the music industry ne fanele ube strong bafethu. If you are not strong
Angeke
I
ulungene.
won't survive bafethu.
Yeah.
You have to be strong by all means bafethu. Khona izinto ezinegative abantu abazozisho ngawe ukuthi umubi nini. You understand like ziningi izinto abantu abashoyo bafethu angithandi. But if awukho strong bafethu
Yeah.
uphuma fast.
Uphuma fast. Mara nakhona vele into mangase yakho uzoyiyeka. Yeah, into mangase yakho vele mangadalelwanga wena.
Kule angeke ngifakazele ngoba since South Africa bathi 100% in local music. Yo.
Eish.
Ayonke umuntu nale yase next door sesha music.
Shama shamplan. Tara yabike ayino sesayibala poison ne. So sibala ithina abantu esipane nabo the catalog vele is big mfana yabona budali bakhona bujakalasa boluthando bekathi uyenzani. Zikhona mfana.
Yeah, you can name more.
Yangisi sikhona adulting. Mara leli adulting to keliphi.
Bebathi bazosibhayizisa sathola ntana yami samayizisa yabafethu.
Yeah.
Yeah, iyona le outside le impahla bafethu.
Obatsheli.
Nabafethu.
Yena mfethu okay.
Iyona uyena nomjito bafethu.
Yeah.
Ningambheka injahile.
So manje ntwana sesipanela phezukwane sibhizi ngani project wise, EP wise, music wise, ama video baba. You need to create visuals.
Okay, new music bafethu ne?
Yeah.
New music you should watch out. Khona ingoma ezayo for me and Must Be Dubs bafethu Mr. Picky himself yabo.
Okay.
Sizokhipha ingoma called Uzenenye.
Okay.
Uzenenye impahla.
Okay.
Sizokhipha ingoma called Uzenenye. And also you should watch out. I'm working on an EP bafethu.
Yeah.
I won't say ama features okhona la EP yabo.
Okay.
It's a surprise.
Manje wangakhiphi le usika bopha the MC ndoda.
Yeah, and then
I've
also worked with Sigabopha the MC.
Yeah, mina ngikhiphe man.
Yeah, sizodropa fethu.
Yeah, and then from there yizo izinto zokubhiza ngazo.
And then yeah.
Visual wise,
And then catch me bafethu. Mpumalanga. Ngi31 bafethu nginani bafethu sisonke
Zakami.
bafethu. Sure.
my ka fina 50 yami yangishi.
Yeah?
50 yami.
Sisonke mfana
Uzafana?
Yeah, sisonke.
Mara ngikhiphi next 50 yami.
Yeah, sizobhala nekhekhe la phambili.
Mara nje before sibane sicela nje into nje simple mnganami simple. Ungasabi ngiyakubona ngathi bashaya manje sobona mina. Bheka ka.
Sure.
La ngicela choose umuntu e1 ke futhi singibeka ifoni ngizobacabanga from the top of the dome.
Okay.
Ingizonke ngikhethela nje umuntu e1 uthina ama artist ayi2 and ukhethela i1 ungangayine reason angeke ngibuze
Okay.
King P or Easy Beat angifuni ne reason ka hayi manje ama reason sengiyawazi phela nami ngiyayenza manje le
Ngizovaya this one is difficult.
and mina ngiyazi why mina
But I would go with TP.
okay
I also give the reason.
yeah
That's why ngisho kanjalo.
yeah
Oh, but this one is difficult, but yeah, ngizovana King P because
yeah
King P bafethu
impact ne
like King P I take him as a brother.
yeah
Yabo. King P umuntu like for the first time it was the first producer engingahlala naye phansi ngamtshela inkinga zami ngakhala phambi kwakhe ngakhala inyembezi
ayinakhala futhi ngathi nizele studio ukuzosikhalela bafethu
ngakhala inyembezi
ngingakhali no
wangayi motivation wangitshela ukuthi mfana
Yeah.
asika give up awufela
Kena rishe nyungu.
motivator wangifake emikini wathi thatha leyo pain let's turn that pain into
yeah
to something ezokumotivate bulale mntana wami
Yeah.
ngayenza kanjalo
Tato Trace
oh Tato Taste
yeah
I'll go with Tato Heart
why
yeah if I like his songs I think
it's dope ne oh mkhawuzaza hayi sisulu Scottoli unonganga ama fave ukuthi uspanile nawo Scott sokaka span na wangitshela ya ma ya mina uspane nawo
with Scott I've worked with
yeah
him.
into engincane ayile
So this one is difficult
okay
but I would go with Scott Mapu.
go Scott
Sure.
Nation okay then
Mr. Nation thing.
why boy
Yeah?
awaspan naye
Oh, Nation?
Eh.
Nah.
mina ngilungise ridings wangiphethene number yakhe I think kumele ngifone silungise ridings
No.
yeah
Song.
Pushkin was springing
Pushkin.
Pushkin
Yeah.
why ngalezi siculayo ngoba uyacula
Yeah. Nganya lezi zamuvuka.
okay
Sure.
mina nkentsho kodwa nesto TNT music mo producer ke la
TNT.
TNT
Sure. Ah, Chocolate Dynasty.
oh
Yeah.
ngoba nkene chok
Yeah.
ay mina sihlapha zonke vele
Lezi ayishinga wasihlapha zonke manje ishinge ukuthi.
yeah
Yeah.
ngesikhathi
Sure.
okay ngada ke ntwana yami cela nje ungayi top 5 yakho incanywa ngala states sivale ridings
Ngada stage.
yeah incanyayo vocal wise
Chris Brown,
yeah
Tory Lanez.
hayi ungamfaka Chris Brown ngiyazi vele
Okay, Tory Lanez.
Yeah.
Friday.
damn
Shout out to Davido.
okay
Timbo. I can say Lil Wayne because he's a goat.
okay
And then Drake.
Drake
Yeah.
okay mina ngifaka uKendrick angina stress
Skis.
Hey ntwana yami ke no ntwana mina ngicela ivalo uwe ntwana ungishange ngasamthing dog ngiyacela ntwana ngimane ngicula ishow yonke kawo ngicela something dog angazi ngathi ngabiza babapha abantu ubaculele mina ufuna dog abantu kawo ufuna mina ngikhona ukucula yabona if bengicula bengizoganda boy singifonela uPushkin enhleka acule ngithi wena ufuna icula ngiyacela bless abantwana dog
Abafethu music ukhona.
angeke afethi ningayibukeli podcast tala ngiyacela hayi dog
Music ukhona.
ijakalasi okay ngicela ijakalasi ke ngicela ushaya ijakalasi mntana
Okay, you
ngiyacela
can give me any ways you think of.
iproducer itrack onqanywayo boy
Hayi, ngitshela.
elitrack elinqanywayo bafethu inqanywa liphi ya izibili boko
No, let's do this. It's shy freestyle, ne?
Okay, ayishaye freestyle. Kama bafethu nethi kama yeah izibili boko and then we can take it from there
Why that song?
Angazi mina ngibuza ama-producer wangitshela. Yes, angithi.
No, not the song.
Which one? Wena ufuna okay yazini cula wena lelo lincanywayo. Singakuthayi thina.
Let me think. Okay.
Ngicela boy. Awona lungisa ne-auto tune. Singilungise ne-auto tune. Hayi brand baba wami ayihleli. Mntanami. La umculo mnandi song asincishe la ke
I know
ngisibaba.
which song to sing.
Angithi mnandi zonke ingoma zakho. That's why. Kule angekucula ingoma ka angazi kabani. Mekule yakho dog. Une voice mnandi song. Ntwana.
Okay.
Emkwakho yazibathisa noma wenza song.
Okay, let me think.
I-one boy. Okay, shayijakala sisuka full. Yeah.
Okay. Awunazi bilibaqo izinto esikhala kahle awuthi sijikele idolo sona esikhala kahle.
Atora ayakubulala bafethu bathi yona le ndaba endesikhulisa emgwaqweni broadcast live akoparele boKing kodwa kakhulu inkunzi malanga onke into zamshela wathi dedele indoda enuka kamnandi egqoke kahle namhlanje shara to Sunday Power shara to Spovala Style Converse ngiyanibona shoppers kwenye Oli RSA yona le ndaba
Yizo bafethu.
yizo bafethu please don't forget to like share ni subscribe bafethu kusaseyili page Exquisite Swaggy TikTok Exquisite Swaggy zonke wonke ama social media platforms ama handles wakho boy.
Yeah, bafethu all RSA bafethu all NLS bafethu ebondile ekitchen ekamereni.
Yeah.
Danko bafethu.
Danko zinja zami. Danko. Manje sekucula. Kangeke.